Hi there, this is James with Champion Plumbing. I just wanted to quickly go over today one of the brands we carry and quite enjoy installing. Now we do like a lot of custom orders for this product, but so what I'm trying to say is we don't have a lot of stock, but if you're looking at doing a custom order for some faucets, maybe you're doing a whole house or like a full renovation, definitely let us know. But we just wanted to go over this brand. It's called Bravado Essentials. Let's see if you can see that. It's a Canadian brand out of Calgary here. We are the exclusive distributor in Canada. And basically it just has a lot of great features. It's marine brass, so it's nice and heavy. The product is CUPC certified, low lead certified. It has the strainers in the inlet hoses, obviously replaceable low flow aerator. It has the ceramic cartridge, super nice to use, nice and smooth. Have had zero issues so far. We've been selling them since 2018. Installation is really awesome. Basically just super simple. Do up the collar, tighten up the bolts. You can use a screwdriver or a nut driver. There is a seal on the bottom as well. I'm just trying to get at the so maybe you can view it, but basically there's an O-ring seal on the bottom, and so if you cut the right hole, or if your granite guy cuts the right hole, it's basically an 1 3/8 if I remember correctly. They cut the right size hole. Everything's nice and sealed. No need for goopy silicone or plumber's putty or any of that kind of nonsense for your installation. Bravado Essentials does a few different kind of items, but this is the one that we kind of carry and stock. There are like all kinds of different products. Like this is a kitchen faucet, super tall one. There's like commercial style faucets with the springs and all that. If you go to our which page, just contact us, and there's a catalog that you can get, and basically you can see all the different styles. But we love installing them. They are long lasting, and we love the finishes on all the on the brushed and chrome finishes. We actually had a custom order of basically it's almost like a trumpet brass, which is kind of a interesting custom order, but the house, everything was like a trumpet brass color, and it turned out amazing. The manufacturer is solid, and yeah, we quite enjoy this brand. We do now, like we're not saying this is like the best out there. We if we were to tell you which brands to buy, we always say Moen, Delta, Brizo, but we do love the Bravado Essentials lineup. The prices are pretty great, anywhere from $199 to $399. Whereas like we just did a quote on a Delta bar faucet today, and it was $419 for a specialized color, like it's a rose gold bar faucet, and Yeah, so it was basically $500. That include the shipping and all that kind of jazz through MCO. The pricing for Bravado Essentials is super good, and I think the quality that they exude is there. It's not like you're going and you're buying like Glacier Bay or some of these Amazon super cheap brands. It's a quality product, and we definitely support them. If you have any questions or want to make any orders, there's our email up top, and we are located in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks. Have a great day.